Hello student, last time I teach you that how to multiply whole number with rational number. Okay, now today we solve exercise 2.2. Look in that question number 1. Which of drawing A to D shows? Here 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers are there and here 4 A, B, C, D drawings are there. Okay, you just match them. Look in that A, in one circle 3 parts are there and out of them 2 are color part. Okay, so 2 out of 3 is colored. Same here, 2 out of 3 and same here 2 out of 3 means 3 times that is 2 out of 3. So 3 times 2 out of 3, 3 into 2 upon 3, that is number 3. Okay, same here 1 upon 2, 1 out of 2, 1 is color. Same here 1 out of 2 means 2 times 1 upon 2, its second number. Here 1 out of 4 parts is colored, 1 out of 4. Same here 1 out of 4, same here 1 out of 4 means here 3 times 1 upon 3 into 1 upon 4, it's number 4. Same here 1 upon 5 and 1 upon 5, 2 times 1 upon 5 is number 1. Okay, same in question number 2. And here you just write down multiplication of that 2 means 2 times and answer is also there. Here look, first one, that is 1 out of 3 is there and that one is also 1 out of 3 and multiplication of that one is means 2 times, addition means 2 times, so 2 times 1 upon 3 is there means 2 into 1 upon 3, so 2 ones are 2 divided by 3, that is 2 upon 3. So 2 times 1 upon 3, 2 upon 3, it's here. Okay, look here, total 4 parts of there here and out of 3 are colored. Same here 3 upon 4 and same here 3 upon 4. Okay, so I calculate here 3 times 3 upon 4 is there, so 3 times 3 upon 4 equal to 3 3s are 9 upon 4, that is irrational number. Okay, so what to do? Convert into, that is improper fraction, so convert into fraction form. So 9 upon 4, 4 2s are 8, 1, so 2 integer 1 upon 4, it's here. Same for this one, 1 upon 5, 1 upon 5, 1 upon 5, 3 times 1 upon 5, 3 ones are 3 divided by 5, it's here. Okay, so first and second. Question number 3, multiply and reduce the lowest form and convert into mixed fraction. Okay, if you are getting improper fraction. Okay, total 10 sums are there, out of 10 we solve 3 sums. Okay, so suppose first one, that is 7 into 3 upon 5. Okay, last time I teach you that if whole number is there, so you just directly multiply with numerator. So 7 3s are 21, 21 upon 5. Now no common fractions, elements are there between numerator and denominator. So what to do? Check, is it proper fraction or improper? Improper is there, so convert into mixed fraction. So what to do? 21 divided by 5, 5 4s are 20 and 1, so 4 is integer part 1, so 4 integer 1 upon 5. Okay, next one is number 6. Look, 5 upon 2 into 6. Okay, now here two methods are there. Suppose you directly cut them, means 5 upon 2 into 6, 2 3s are. Okay, so answer is 5 3s are 15. Otherwise 5 divided by 2 into 6, first you multiply them, 6 5s are 30 divided by 2 and then cut them, 15 2s are 30, your answer is 15. Okay, and Next one is number 8. Look, 20 into 4 upon 5. Same here. 5 4s are and 4 4 16. Your answer is 16. So easy. Okay. Same. Now next one, question number 4. Said. Okay. 1 2 3. 1 for A, second for B, and third one for C. Okay. One half of the circle in the box. One half of circle. First you find out total how many circles are there. Okay. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Total 12 circles are there, and one half of that one. So one half of 12 circles. Okay. In box you just set them. Then what? One half of 12. Off means, already I told you that in board mass of, okay, is there, and what to do? Just multiply them. 1 upon 2 into 12. When off is there, at the place of always you just write down multiplication. So 2 6 are, so 6 ones are 6, means 6 circles. So you just shaded 6 circles out of that 12. Similar, 2 divided by 3 triangles in box. Total 9 triangles are there. So 2 divided by 3 of 9 triangles means 2 divided by 3 into 9. 3 3s are 9 and 3 2s are 6. So you just shaded 6 triangles. Same here, 3 upon 5 squares. You just count total how many squares are there and then multiply with 3 upon 5. Okay. Question number 5. Find A, B, C, D. Out of them we solve any one. Suppose we take C. That is 3 upon 4 of C. 3 upon 4 of, in that first one is 16 and second one is 36. First we solve the first one. 3 upon 4 of 16 means 3 upon 4 into 16. 4 4s are 16 and 4 3s are 12. That is 12. Number 2. 3 upon 4 of 36. So 3 upon 4 into 36. 9 4s are and 9 3s are 27. Okay. So you see, same for A, B and D. You just do yourself. It's so easy. Okay. Now number 6. Multiply the expression as mixed fraction. The mixed fraction and whole numbers. Okay. Out of them, suppose first one, 3 into 5 integer 1 upon 5. 3 into 5 integer 1 upon 5. So first what to do? Convert mixed fraction into improper. So 3 into 5 5s are 25 and 1 26 upon 5. Okay. Now whole number is there, so directly multiply with this one. So 26 into 3, 78 divided by 5. 78 divided by 5 is improper. So what to do? Convert into mixed fraction. 5 ones are 5, that is 2, and 8. 5 5s are 25. Then here 3. Okay. So answer is 15 integer 3 upon 5. Okay. Next one. Suppose we solve second one. 5 into 6 integer 3 upon 4. 5 into 6 integer 3 upon 4. Convert this one into fraction form. 6 4s are 24 and 3, 27 divided by 4. equal to 27 5s are divided by 4. Now convert into mixed fraction. 135 divided by 4, 3s are 12, 1 5, 4 3s are 12, that is 3. So 33 integer 3 upon 4. Okay. Same for rest of all. Just solve that one. Here find 1/2 of this one. Okay, we solve the first one. Number 7. Find 1/2 of, in that first one, 2 integer 3 upon 4, and second one is 4 integer 2 upon 9. Okay, so suppose first one 1/2 of 2 integer 3 upon 4. Of means multiply, 1/2 into mixed fraction. What to do? Convert into improper. 4 2s are 8 and 3 11 upon 4. Now numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. 11 1s are 11 and 4 2s are 8. Now convert into mixed fraction. 11 upon 8. 8 1s are 8. I just directly convert them. 8 1s are 8 and 3 11. That's your answer. Okay. Same 1/2 of 4 integer 2 upon 9. That means 1/2 into 9 4s are 36 and 2 38 upon 9 equal to 38 1s are 38, 9 1s are 9 2s are 18. Right? Now common elements is there. Yes, 19 2s are and 9 2s are. So 19 upon 9 equal to, now convert them. 19 upon 9, 2s are 18 1. So 2 integer 1 upon 9. That's your answer. Okay. Same for last one. Okay, word problem is there, but it's so easy. As just find out how much water we are drinking. It's so easy. Try yourself. Okay, so here our exercise 2.2 is completed. Solve in your notebook. Okay.